Hi guys.
You know Ronita is a big fan of yours.
Ronita is one of my best friends.
What?
Welcome to the first live of The Kindly. Kindly is a space that we have just tried to manifest in the hope that we can bring to light stories that deserve to be amplified. Kindness is a virtue that takes us human beings forward. And today, I'm going to be joined by the person who thought of this idea, Richa Chadda herself. Before she became an actor, she actually was studying to become a journalist, right? She's going to be joining the Kindly's Instagram, and she's going to join us as a guest. And with her, we are also going to have the first Kindly hero. We are going to have Miss Ronita Sharma Rekhi, who is the Kindly hero who we have begun our story with. So I'm just going to wait for Richa to join in, and we would be looking forward to have some of you join us as well to share stories of kindness. Meanwhile, we also have, okay, here she is. Hi.
Hi. I was
How
just
are
trying
you?
to. I'm good. How are you? You look amazing. And
You look amazing like always.
I know I
So
just
Richa,
bent down to put some lip balm. Yeah.
amazing. So guys, here's the thing, right? Richa and I go back much longer in time. Our mothers are crazy friends, and today I'm here to just share with you all, or rather become the host of the evening and show you another side of Richa, a side that a lot of you have known through the way that she has been in the world, but here's her full-fledged stance outside to celebrate something. So firstly, thank you Richa for starting this and making me a part of this. Can you
Of
tell us
course.
a little bit more about The Kindly?
The Kindly. The Kindly is a name that we've come up with thanks to your friend Shri. I just want to tell you guys, this is something that's just on social media right now. I was talking to a few friends of mine who were experiencing like anxiety or palpitations every time they watch the news, and rightly so, because the news has been very depressing. Anybody in their bright minds would feel like it's a lot. It is a lot. But at the same time, what's happening is some kind of humanity is also spreading again along with the virus, where people are just relying on the kindness of strangers. They are just getting help on social media. People are just going out and securing things for people they've never met, including life-saving medicines. Every day we are hearing stories of good Samaritans, good neighbors. So I just wanted to amplify those stories. We are not a NGO, we are not a crowdfunding platform or anything other than an Instagram page. We are not a media house, we are not a newsroom. However, we want to start a community of people who can rely on each other and do such things. So I'm very excited to do this officially and have great people on the team with it. तुम्हें
Amazing.
कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है रिचा, और पता है क्या करेंगे हम? Without further ado, in this beautiful idea, I have invited a friend of mine from the US. She's an Indian, Darshana. She's going to start this beautiful evening with a song, and I think this, really makes what you do, Richa, in general is very poetic and very, I think, magical in its own way, and so is true for music. So I have invited a guest. Before we come to the Kindly hero for the evening, मैं इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ, in the last 10 days that I've been speaking to Richa, I see this a very genuine effort from her side, and her journalistic side of actually amplifying these everyday heroes. So guys, if you have any kindness stories as well, you're most welcome to go up and follow the Kindly social handle, which you see is live right now with Richa, and keep sending us your stories. Our website www.kindly.org, thekindly.org is going to be live very soon, and there'll be an email ID where you can share stories. आज हम एक Kindly hero के साथ आने वाले हैं, और रिचा उनके साथ वन-ऑन-वन बात भी करेंगी, जिनकी स्टोरी रिचा ने ढूंढ के ऑलरेडी इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे डाल दी है. So I'm just waiting for Darshana to join in. I think Darshana might be having some internet issues, so I'll just directly invite probably Ronita. Ronita is our Kindly hero, the first Kindly hero. Richa, would you like to share how things got inspired for you to share this story while Ronita joins in?
Hi! Oh my God!
Hi
Hi,
guys.
Ronita.
Hi.
This is amazing. Thank you for joining us. We are so excited to speak to you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for recognizing my little initiative. I
So
don't know what
sweet.
to say. It's overwhelming.
You know, हिंदी फिल्मों में like at least the older films, मनमोहन देसाई वगैरह की फिल्मों में कभी कोई unity का scene दिखाना होता था. Like, you know, two people are at war and there's some kind of unity. You saw something, you read about something like this, or you saw a visual कि, you know, a woman is nursing somebody else's baby and trying to help them, trying to save that life. So for me, it was just such a universal story, such an innovative idea, and it definitely made me smile. And that's
you.
why we are very happy to have you. And we just like to know more from you. आपको कैसे idea आया? I know you watched the news.
Yeah, I
and
saw it
you
on
read
Twitter
an
actually.
SOS request. You saw it on
Yeah.
Twitter. Okay.
Yeah. So I
And-
read a tweet and which said that there was a little newborn baby not taking formula milk. Mother passed away because of COVID and wanted breast milk or nursing, and I was because I have Alaya.
Yeah.
I'm a very
No, it's
emotional.
totally okay. It's totally okay.
And I read the same thing this morning. So it is, I don't know. I'm so sorry. Just give me 1 minute.
No, please don't be sorry. I cry all the time. I
Yeah.
have tears in my eyes right now.
So I
This
read
is
the
the
same
situation.
thing. Today morning they wanted for a baby. Mom passed away. COVID, heart attack, 7 month. Had to be, born. Like they had to remove the baby out because the mother passed away. And my friend's sister passed away. Same situation. Just 2 weeks ago. I think she's not even 30 years old. She was pregnant, 7.5 months, and she lost the battle. The baby came out, and I know this formula milk, but today what I read was really upsetting because I know when I gave birth to Alaya, I could not lactate for the first few days, and I was crying. I was holding her and crying, and I was telling my husband that I'm not being able to feed my child, and she was not taking formula milk. She was hating it, but I would try to latch her, and I was just praying, am I that mother who will not be able to breastfeed my child? And I felt so bad, but thank God, of course, I lost my mother too, but I have my family. So they told me, what all I should drink, eat, and so luckily I started lactating, and now I feed my child. But I know that some kids hate formula milk. And what I read this morning was this child in Thane, same situation, allergic to formula milk, was not taking the one which you get in milk bank because they are all frozen. So the child did not want it. I know it for the fact because even with my daughter, she needs, if I'm pumping milk, she needs fresh. She will not take something that is in the refrigerator. So when I read about the child in Delhi, that is when I thought that, this is the least I could do right now, because as a new mother, I cannot go out to help anybody. But if there is any child in India, in Guwahati, because I'm in Guwahati right now, if any child needs me, I'm there. I'll be nursing the child, or, I can send my breast milk across. So that is how this whole thing came to my mind. And I'm sorry I got a little emotional because, when you have a child at home, these kind of situations.
It's totally okay.
Yeah. So sorry.
No, please don't be sorry. I can't tell you the number of times I've cried in interviews. And what's remarkable for me is that not only are you a new mother, but you recently lost your mother. And
yeah, I lost my mother 5 years ago. I lost my dad when I was 3 months pregnant, and I could not come for his funeral. I was in Bombay, and I could not travel because it was COVID, and they say until you are 3 months complete, you cannot travel. So my doctor advised me not to. And I got COVID when I was 4 months pregnant.
Oh,
so
Lord.
It's been quite a journey, but lucky. So till the time my baby came in my hand, I was so worried because doctors around the world till that time did not know what happens to the child in the womb. They were not, because there were a lot of cases where mothers were positive and the child came out healthy, and there were, I think today my brother was telling me there was a case where the mother was negative but the child came out positive. So my gynac was not very sure. So I was just praying every day till my child came in my arm that, I hope nothing has happened to her. She's all fine. She's healthy, and touch wood, she's healthy. She's fine.
God bless you. Really, this is what we wanted to start this initiative for. All of us are experiencing grief. You've had a really tough one, and
Yeah.
despite that, like, you could think of others in your time of grief, in your time of pain, when you were most vulnerable. What stood out for me was when a woman is pregnant, she feels so bound. Like, you know, there are so many restrictions, like you said, on travel and other things. और उस सब में भी सबसे पहले आपको किसी और के बच्चे का ख्याल, जिसके पास दूध नहीं था, जिसके पास, you know, mom nahi thi, and that really moved me. I'm so happy that, you know, we could talk, and
Thank you,
really
Richa.
salute to you. I hope after looking at you, there are more young mothers who can come forward and do this, and this is just really brave of you. Honestly,
Thank
this is
you.
so brave.
Thank you.
To
I want
everyone
to tell
that's
you
watching
something.
this. Yeah.
The day this came out in the news, because I had posted this around 2nd of May, and it was just on my Facebook and Instagram and my other social media, because since I was in Guwahati, so I was just making sure it's here. And suddenly after a week, somebody posted it on Twitter, and I think he tagged all the media houses and I think NDTV picked it up, and this went viral. And after that, I have so many positive messages on my Instagram, like women saying that we would want to be a part of this. So many men, you know, I mean, they are saying, you know, like they're telling me that my wife is lactating and we'll go and tell her to do the same. Young girls not married, and they're like, ma'am, whenever we'll have a child and whenever we are a lactating mother, we'll do the same, you know. So I was so happy, because when I thought of this, I did not think that I will have so many people appreciating this and wanting to do the same. I just thought of children around in distress, and but today this is reached so far, and I'm so happy.
Oh, we wish you all the best with this initiative. Really, I could read the comments, and I went on your Twitter and I saw कितने लोगों ने बहुत कुछ लिखा. In fact, when I posted your story on my page, तो somebody wrote, काश मैं भी औरत होता और मैं भी ये कर सकता. And I thought that was such a a lovely, it's a superpower, you know, this kind of kindness. It just cuts across so much. You could be sitting in Guwahati and you can move somebody in a completely different part of the world.
Today, as I said, what I read in Thane today, I so wanted to like take a flight and go to Bombay. But yes, I'm going to Bombay next month, because once my baby turns 3 months and cases are quite less now, so you know, we can travel safe. So maybe I'll call them, and if they still need you know, me, I will be there for that little child.
Hopefully somebody who's watching this in Bombay, अगर आप Bombay थाने के आसपास है, नवी मुंबई, you've seen this inspirational story from Guwahati with Ronita, how she started doing this to help other children in need. If you are a lactating mother, please consider this. It might just save a child's life, and that's actually why we're here. And you're just amazing. So proud of you.
Thank you, Richa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, really.
No, guys, I'm getting these goosebumps listening to the both of you, because suddenly, Richa, what we've been discussing for a week or 10 days has become live, you know. It's like so surreal for me, because I'm talking to the first hero that Richa, you know, pushed the story out of, and it's so real to listen to you, Ronita, here. And you know, I'm seeing the logo also niche in the Kindry, because Akash, who's our friend who came up with this, he said, you know, when Richa briefed him, she said that it's all about passing the love, you know, from this one heart, and it's that heart popping out of this one human, and I see that, you know, embodied in you. You are literally like doing that so selflessly. So thank you so much. And on that note, I would also introduce you to Darshana, who's a friend of ours. She's joining from the US. She's an amazing singer, and she said she's going to dedicate a song to you, Ronita, and she's going to sing for all of us this song before we continue.
That's so nice. Even I didn't. That's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you for having me, Krishan. First, I just have to say, Ronita, I mean, same thing, goosebumps, and I really teared up. So I don't know how my singing is going to be right now, because I was listening to you and it was just so touching. Richa, I cannot believe I'm on the same forum as you right now for a few minutes. You are a wonderful person, an amazing talent, and I'm a huge admirer already. But you're a true hero now, because you're using your voice to spread this message of kindness and to just inspire more people to do anything they can.
These everyday heroes famous, the real life heroes, you know. So
But I mean, you're using your platform for that, and that just makes you amazing as well. But Ronita, I mean, hats
Thank
off
you,
to you.
Darshana.
Just the fact that as a human, you're showing us that you can do anything. You don't have to have something special. Anything that you can do, you're reaching out in the most intimate, personal way possible, and that's just—it's a beautiful thought. And I'm so glad you're
Thank
like
you
doing
so
what
much,
you're doing.
guys.
So I'm just gonna sing a few lines of this song without taking too much
Wow,
time.
This is amazing.
माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं. माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं. मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, चले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी. किसी को हो न हो हमें हो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. Thank you for what you do.
Thank you, Darshana.
You made us all cry again.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Wasn't
Oh, she made us cry first.
I want to show you my Alaya. Hold on.
Yeah, please. We would love to see your Alaya.
Yeah, because I keep telling her that it's because of you.
And
There
you
are
missed
also a lot
it.
of people sending in requests. हम सबकी request तो नहीं लेंगे, but definitely follow the Kindry का Instagram handle because there will be many more lives like these where we will try and celebrate as many everyday heroes as we can. So is
And
your
What
daughter
is
here
this?
now?
Lovely.
What you
That's
doing?
lovely.
What you doing?
Thank you so much.
Oh, where are you?
Hey.
See, where are you? Say hi. What's
Hi,
this
little
boy you
baby.
want? Who made
Oh my
you wear that?
God.
Say hi. Say hi. I'm
So
Hi,
Alaya.
Alaya. Hi, Alaya.
She
Hi.
just keeps looking at frames and she loves me now. She's just started recognizing my face.
Aw.
So
This-
it's because of little Alaya that I'm a lactating mother.
There's
Oh.
this, what I used to think was some kind of a, this mural. With, if you're in Bombay, you will know Mumbai. जब Mahim, Bandra से Mahim की तरफ जाते on the right, there's that mural which says when a child is born, a mother is born.
Mother. Yeah.
Something like that. And
A
I
child
think I
gives birth to a mother.
to the mother. Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God.
Yeah, so
I
this
think,
is-
this is
How old
beautiful.
is she? 5 months. Did you say 5 months?
No, she's 2.5. She'll turn 3 in the next. Oh, she's smiling in the next 10 days. Do you like
She,
it? Say
at
hi.
2.5 months, she's doing her Instagram live.
Oh my
Yes.
God. Star. Alaya.
She's a natural.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
she loves looking at the camera already. You like sis? Hi.
Oh, this is so sweet. My God, Alaya, you know your mom is a celebrity manager. I think you will become a star and that will be all in the family.
Yeah, my brother keeps telling me she needs to work with the United Nations. She's going to be a peacemaker. So I'm like, okay, let's see. Whatever she wants to become, I'm there.
And that's one more thing I want to talk about, Ronita. I think we have to give our men more credit. आपके
Yeah.
husband, आपके भाई ने आपको support किया इतना, and they
Yeah.
almost convinced you to come out and talk about your initiative in the press. You were worried. Can you talk about that? Because when I was doing
I
research
can.
on
You know what
I-
happened? I can, Richa. I'll tell you something really. That it's so interesting that after I posted it, my husband comes out. I was in the living room. He comes out. I say bye. He comes out and he says that
Bye, Alaya.
Ronnie. He says, Ronnie, what have you posted? Are you sure about this? I'm like, of course I'm sure. And then I looked at him and I was like, shit, I think I should have asked him also about this. So I just looked at him. I said, are you okay with this? He's like, of course. What's the harm? I said, you know, maybe donating is not the harm, but if I have to nurse a child. And he looked at me, he said, there is no harm. There is no problem. It's just going to be a child. And if we can help a child, we can help anybody right now. And, I'm always there for you. I mean, we never have a relation of asking permission. I do what I want to do. He does what he wants to do. We have that faith. We have that kind of relationship. We know it's not going to be anything wrong. And when I posted this, I didn't want to go to the media because I didn't want it to look like, oh, I'm trying to get attention. But when people started calling me, I was avoiding all the calls. I was avoiding all the messages. Of course, working in Bollywood, I personally myself know so many media houses. And then my Mohsin and my brother, they kept telling me that, do it. This is what you want. Maybe you didn't think about this, but now it's like a message. It's like an initiative. It's like something that is going everywhere. So just go talk to them. So I was like, okay, I will. I think a lot of media houses got upset with me. They were like, oh, we are messaging you, calling you. But initially I was hesitating so much. I did not want to, make it look like, oh, I'm wanting for attention or anything like that. But thanks to these guys, they're my family right now. I'm here. Of course, my in-laws are in Bombay, but right now I'm only with them. But they were such a support. They're always pushing me for this.
Thank you. I mean, that's one of the most beautiful things, I just thought that it's really, really cool, very progressive, very understanding. These are the partners we need.
Yeah, Mohsin and I,
Amazing.
my husband is a YouTuber. We run a vlog channel, also a family vlog channel. And initially when we showed our baby,
you can tell people to follow it, totally.
Yeah, please, if you guys can follow Mohsin Rekhi vlogs, we make our day-to-day daily vlog, we make our day-to-day videos and put it across. So the day we wanted to show Alaya, everybody was like, no, you cannot show your child, nazar lag jayegi, ye ho jayega, wo ho jayega, and this and that, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, and he looked at me and like, are you like uncomfortable about it? I said, no, it's okay, let her be there, let the world see, I don't know. We just wanted to show us as a family. There are a lot of times when we do few things together and we always think maybe we'll inspire somebody. There is no harm in showing a child on Insta, on social media. Yeah, so we have this little family vlog channel that you guys should follow. So yeah.
What is it? Mohsin Rekhi? It's called Mohsin Rekhi.
Mohsin Rekhi vlogs.
You can type that out here for people to go and check it out. And I would urge everybody to follow Ronita as well on her Instagram handle and Darshana, an amazing singer, so that you can get to know of the amazing things that they keep doing. And also remember to follow The Kindry, because here is where we are going to do multiple sessions like these and also celebrate a lot of everyday acts of kindness. And like Richa has already told, it's not only about like bringing out a story to light, but also about helping find connections which are needed at the right time, and also possibly bring things to execution in many cases, as we hope to do. So on that note, I'm going to thank Darshana, and I think there are so many requests coming in. Maybe we'll take one last request of somebody joining in.
Some guys also hitting on her saying, "Aap sundar ho, aapko actress hona chahiye." Wow, Darshana, come back.
Oh, me.
Darshana also, Richa, by the way, Darshana is the winner of Saregama India America.
Oh wow! You want to start with that?
It was a very long time ago.
Congratulations! That's amazing.
Thank you. It was a very, very long time ago, but thank you. It was so amazing meeting you all. And Krishan, keep doing your endless kindness, and everything that you keep doing online is just amazing. So I am following The Kindry already, and I'll be following you, Ronita, as well. Thank you so much for having me on here. Richa, it was amazing.
It's all because of Richa.
Interacting
She's
with
the one
you.
who's done this magic.
The
And it's all because of
It's an
Thank
amazing.
you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Darshana, for joining in. We might have one last guest, Richa, before we end today's session. I'm going to have another person join in. I believe there is somebody who wants to share a poetry, also to dedicate to everyday heroes. So, hi Neha, how are you?
Hello.
Hi, Neha.
Hi, Krishan. I am good. Hello, Richa. Hello, Ronita.
Hi.
Thank you for having me here. And this is so amazing. This what you are doing. ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है, feel good है. Because I mean, सब लोग इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं. And now we have a platform that is celebrating all this kindness. So thank you so much for this.
Thank you for joining us. And
नेहा, आप सुनाओ, आप कुछ सुनाना चाहते हो हमको? Maybe there's something that you've
Yes.
written.
Yes, there's something that I've written. और ये जो kindness है, ये एक मैं सवाल पूछ रही हूँ, उसका जवाब है. So I'm just going to recite a poem that I've written around it, and it's called हम किससे जुड़े हुए हैं. मेरी एक दोस्त रहती है देहरादून में. जो केरला में बैठी एक दादी के लिए मदद की गुहार लगा रही है। न जान है ना पहचान है, बस एक को जरूरत है, एक के पास ईमान है। माना कि तुमसे मेरा कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, माना कि तुमसे मेरा कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, फिर क्यों मेरी तकलीफें देखकर तुम्हारी रातों की नींद उड़ी है? क्यों किसी और की फूलती सांस से तुम्हारी सांसें बेचैन हुई है? क्यों तुम अपना खून निकालकर किसी और में जान फूंक रहे हो? ये खून का रिश्ता तो नहीं है, ये दिल का रिश्ता है शायद, जो तुम हर जरूरतमंद को अपना मान बैठे हो। ये दर्द का रिश्ता है शायद, जो तुम सबके जख्म प्यार से भरने चले हो। ये बिछोह का रिश्ता है शायद, जो तुम सबको समेटने में लगे हो। ये कर्ज का रिश्ता है शायद, जो चढ़ा था तुम पर किसी और जन्म में। ये फर्ज का रिश्ता है शायद, जो पूरा करने तुम निकले हो। इसमें ना कोई तुम्हारी पीठ ठोकेगा, ना गले लगाएगा, ना फूल का गुलदस्ता भेज सम्मान जताएगा। हाँ, एक जान बख्श जाएगी, एक दुआ तुम्हारी ओर आएगी। तुम जैसे हजारों पैदा हो, बस ये बात देहन में रह जाएगी। और सब खत्म हो जाने के बाद हम मुड़कर पीछे देखेंगे और जितनों को लेकर आगे बढ़े वो तुमसे यही पूछेंगे, हम किससे जुड़े हुए थे तब, हम किससे जुड़े हुए हैं अब। एंड आई थिंक द आंसर टू दैट इज काइंडनेस. So thank you for the kind read.
Oh my God,
Oh,
that
that's
is
so cute.
fantastic. One of our core beliefs is the kindness of strangers. Like I said, एक दिन मुझे दिल्ली से एक SOS कॉल आया, मैंने किसी के लिए ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर का रिक्वेस्ट डाली, किसी दूसरे ने वो फॉरवर्ड की. I didn't meet any of the people, not the people who helped me, not the people who reached that concentrator, not even the patient. But I just realized this network is so beautiful.
Exactly. This is exactly what is keeping all of us going, and we are in this together. एक किसी को जरूरत होती है, कोई और कहीं से मदद भेजता है, कोई और उस तक मदद पहुंचाता है, and it is just how we are surviving this. So thank you for making this platform so that we can accolade these people and उनको celebrate कर सके. और इससे दो बातें हो रही है, एक तो उनको और हौसला अफजाई हो रहा है, और हम जैसे लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार हम भी किसी चीज का हिस्सा है, हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, हम भी कुछ कर पाएंगे. So thank you for this.
No, thanks, man, and that was beautiful. Can you like share it and tag us? I have to post
Yes,
it.
I will do that.
You should definitely comment भी करा है. I think Kriti Kharbanda is also typing. Thank you, Kriti, for joining us. She's saying that was beautiful. The Purple Heart, and somebody's also commented that इतनी अच्छी poem है कि we should maybe put it as a post. We should definitely.
I will share this. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining, Neha.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Neha.
Thank you, Rona.
Thanks, Neha. Bye. Oh, damn good. So much talent in this country. My God. Amazing.
So much talent and so much heartfelt music, poetry, acts of kindness. I already see Richa जो start कर रहे हो आप उसको like manifesting with strangers connecting and discussing kindness stories.
I would be so happy अगर आज जो रोनिता की एक ख्वाहिश है कि बॉम्बे लेक्शी सिंह में पहली फ्लाइट लेके whenever I can come back, I'll come back. So again, I'll repeat, if there's a lactating mother in Bombay, Thane, Navi Mumbai, please get in touch. We will do our best.
Yes. The details are on my Instagram, on my post.
Yeah,
I
saw
have
you
posted about
that
it.
in the morning.
Yes. So please, if you can contact on the number that is given there, it'll be of great help.
And there we go. We have Kriti here.
Hi guys.
You know, Ronita is a big fan of yours.
Ronita is one of my best friends.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Ronita
This is
is
amazing.
I used to live with Ronita when I didn't have a home in Bombay. She would actually let me stay at her place. And
Shut up.
when I wasn't an actress, I used to come in for my auditions. Ronita is that girl. She is family to me. She and I together planned my sister's wedding. She's the most selfless I've ever met, Richa. I mean, honestly.
I can see.
Really?
Really?
Not a human being.
Shut up.
She's made us all cry within the first 2 minutes. I'll have you know, I'm not embarrassed.
Kriti and I have had a lot of crying sessions together.
That's what friends are for. I want
Yeah.
everybody feel space. Say this is a safe space for people who like to cry out of grief, out of love when they're moved, and that's what this is. I'm so glad you joined. You're glowing. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I just stepped
Now that Kriti, you are here, would you like to share a story of kindness that you have experienced during the pandemic? Anything, or like in general, that inspired you?
I think every single, the last month has been really, really hard for me, my family. We've had multiple COVID cases, and I remember reaching out for help, and I remember people reaching out to me for help. And just that one difference, someone saying, thank you, this is a verified lead, I think we'll get somewhere. It wasn't even about achieving your goal. It was just, that feeling of contribution that you have to someone's peace of mind. It's more that. We can't empathize with them. But I think it's just been so wonderful how everyone's just come forward, and there are no barriers. It's no longer about caste or creed. It's all about humanity. And I think that's all that matters.
That's
beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, that idea of what you said,
beautifully
that simple thought of just somebody who's got time, who's able to verify a lead for someone else, ends up saving a life. I mean, that's such a big power that as individuals we all have. So yeah, thanks for sharing that. And there's a little story which said एक बार एक जंगल में आग लग गई थी, and there was a little sparrow who would go and pick up like a drop of water and go and like spill it on that big forest fire, and then somebody said, अरे इससे कुछ नहीं होगा, ये छोटा छोटा बूंद से कुछ नहीं होता है, इतनी बड़ी आग है नहीं बुझ सकती. And she said, I mean, it's a beautiful statement. She said जब ये जंगल की आग खत्म हो जाएगी और हिस्ट्री लिखी जाएगी तो मेरा नाम आग लगाने वालों में नहीं, आग बुझाने वालों में आएगा. And that's what counts, right? Every little act of kindness is what we are here to amplify through the kindry that Richa has thought of. And thank you so much, Kriti, for joining in. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so happy that you joined on the live as well.
Thank you. You've really made Ronita cry. I think she's missing you when she's back to Bombay.
We haven't met for a long time because this pandemic is just not going, and we haven't met for a long time.
It will go. This too shall pass.
Blogs and on Ronita's stories, and she sends me pictures. But I am really, really looking forward to seeing her very soon.
She's
Richa, everything that you've been doing is so commendable. I genuinely, I've always, that I admire you. This is something I've told you even personally, and I want the world to know you are so amazing. And I'm so glad to call both of you people my friends. Really, so proud of you.
Kriti. And Mohsin loves Richa. He kept telling me, please tell Richa. I'm a big fan. Please tell Richa. I'm like, I will tell her whenever I get a chance. And my brother kept telling him, Mohsin, it's going to look so bad. Didi is going to talk about the initiative. And in that, how can she say that, you love Richa Chadda? It's going to look really bad. And I'm like, no, maybe if I get a chance, I will.
That's so sweet. You got a chance. And in fact, I can see somebody with the Kharbanda last name logged in and said D to Kriti. So Kriti, you're also inspiring your brother, which is amazing.
Kriti is an inspiration, Richa. She's an inspiration. I have seen this girl. Oh God, I've seen her struggle. I've seen her. She's the best daughter, best sister. You have. I don't know if I know you know her well, but I have seen her in all her elements. In all her elements, as a daughter, sister, friend. She's the most amazing person I know. I love her so much.
She's amazing. Yeah. When we last met in Delhi, Kriti, you, me, Pulkit, when we were both shooting and living in neighboring hotels in Aero City, remember? हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि we will go into lockdown again and we will be experiencing the same stuff again, delays and the whole period has been hard on anyone.
You remember the last time we met, we said, चलो अब बॉम्बे में मिलते हैं.
हाँ, बॉम्बे
कोई नहीं पाया.
बॉम्बे में मिलेंगे.
Kriti, आप कहाँ पर हो अभी? Where are you?
I'm in Bombay. I'm staying put in Bombay. But I intend to travel to see my family soon. It's been a year and a half since I went.
Oh my God.
So I've been trying to protect my parents and making sure that they don't step out. And I only stepped out for shoots when I've had to. But apart from that, I am staying put. I'm staying indoors. I do not step out. I don't let my staff step out. I think it's very important. This is probably the most self-dependent pandemic the world has ever had to face.
Yeah.
We have to take care of ourselves in order to protect our families and friends and just humanity. So I think that's the least we can do now. We can't complain about sitting at home and being safe.
और आप लोगों को बता दूं, कृति रेगुलरली स्टीम इनहेलेशन टाइप की टेक्निकल चीजों के वीडियोस पोस्ट करती है. So if you love her, like I can see, I love you, ma'am. You are so cute. You are my, I don't know, lots of love. Coming to you. Please उनसे इस चीज की भी इंस्पिरेशन लें, उनकी तरह स्टीम इनहेलेशन वगैरह करें and keep taking care of your own health. You have to. We all have to be Atmanirbhar and we all have to take care of each other. This is what this phase is about.
Absolutely.
For the 4,000, 5,000 people watching, if you have just joined in, a quick recap for what's happening today. We have Ronita with her. She's the Kindry hero. The Kindry, an initiative which has been, the seed has been planted by Richa, and Kriti has just put some more water on it to help it grow into a beautiful tree of kindness. And the idea is to celebrate everyday acts of kindness. And today we have Ronita with us, who's a mother who volunteered to provide milk to other kids whose mothers were going through the sickness in the pandemic. So thank you so much, Ronita, once again for inspiring hundreds and thousands of other people. Kriti, to help us in the cause of amplifying everyday kindness, and
you
Richa
are
for being
amazing.
the source of it all.
Kriti was the first. Kriti was the only person in Bollywood who actually posted my initiative initially, and you know,
Really?
she's.
Please,
I mean,
I will have you guys know, in times of grief, कभी कोई मतलब tragedy होती है, Kriti is the first to reach out. She'll just pick up the phone and call you, and she'll let you know that she's there for you, and it really matters. Like she said, when she got messages from people saying, "I will verify this," उसको तसल्ली हुई है. I want to say, Kriti, तुम हमारी life में से हमें भी एक तसल्ली होती है.
That's so kind, Richa. That's so kind. रुलाएगी क्या?
नहीं, हम तो हो चुके हैं. Maybe it's your turn. We've all cried. Oh, I can see Ali's logged in now, and he's now sending us love.
yeah, I read. Thank you, Ali, for your love.
Thanks,
Lots of love
Ali.
back to you.
So अभी क्या होने वाला है, guys? The space, the Kindry on Instagram, it's going to be a space for beautiful moments like these, what we are witnessing right now. Very real, very raw, very in the moment, and very heart to heart connected. Not just with people you know, but people across spaces, across countries, across different contexts who are helping each other. तो हम क्या करना चाहते हैं? हम बस इतना करना चाहते हैं कि हर एक के अंदर जो एक वो अच्छाई होती है ना, जो बोलती है कि यार आजकल लगने लगता है यार भलाई का जमाना नहीं रहा है. सो रिचा और हमारी बात हुई थी. रिचा सेड ये नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड बाय द वे, फॉर दोस ऑफ यू हू डोंट नो, रिचा ने पढ़ाई करी थी जर्नलिज्म की. रिचा, डू यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट स्टोरी अ लिटिल बिट?
So, I did study journalism. Then I thought कि मुझसे हमसे ना हो पाएगा. It's a really tough job, guys. It's very tough. Often very thankless, very disturbing, mentally exhausting. So I picked something that was my primary interest. But I think that journalistic skills का कुछ फायदा हो जाएगा तो मैं 2-3 Instagram post तो लिख ही सकती हूँ, क्यों नहीं? So that's what we are doing right now. But yeah, the idea is to make people like Ronita famous. Why not? That only like heroes and like this is a real hero, so why not? I want to do this with my time.
Thank you, Richa.
And Ronita, please do. I mean, thank you so much. Please do keep coming also and keep inspiring. And Kriti, you too, please keep coming in this space, because the idea for this space is to, nurture every heart that is around there, and people like you who are heroes help us do that. And for everybody else watching, you can DM us, because we are soon going to have an email address also. If you have a story of anybody around you who's doing something beautiful in their life right now, that's bringing about some positive impact to society. It could be something starting from feeding stray animals, or volunteering to take some old person to get vaccinated, or just smiling at you and ensuring that you have a better day.
One of the big inspirations I had was, I didn't want anyone to say ye to Kalyug hai and kuch nahi ho sakta, because there are enough people in the world. I always believe the good people in the world, itne to hote ke life goes on, life carries on. And right now we do have a barrier that this is just an English handle. Soon we'll go, and if we can have help from people, we can talk about Hindi, we can branch into other languages, or we can just build a community where people can come together and do this for each other.
There are so many creators here. Also, to spread their joy through, you know, their, like Kriti, you saw, we had a singer and we had a
Yes.
poet also today, and that was beautiful. It was so, I think,
Stunning.
perfectly for the context. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it was beautiful. I mean, I was like teary-eyed when she was saying it out loud. When she was reciting her poetry, it was so beautiful. And I think it wasn't just the words. I think we're all so attached to this personally. That whether you've had a personal loss or not, it's the first time we're feeling another's pain like our own. And she had that impact in her voice and the way she recited her poetry. It was just beautiful.
And I would like to add something. I gave a lot of interview, and so many of them kept asking me, oh, you know, in India, talking about breastfeeding is a taboo and this and that. Did you get any negative comments? And I kept telling all of them that I never look at the negative. Like out of the 100 messages that I've got, yes, there were like 2 to 3 really ugly messages. You know how people are, but I'm never going to look at them. I'm only going to look at the good 95 messages, and I'm going to get inspired, and I'm going to make sure that I inspire someone. So this is so important, because I know, of course, Richa and Kriti, you both know the negative comments are always going to be there, no matter what. But I think
Yeah.
right now we just need to focus on the positive, because I have got such good messages, heartwarming. Like I have sat with Mohsin and I have cried reading them. You know, I've cried, and he's like, "Don't cry." I'm like, "No, you know how beautifully people can write to you." So these
Yeah.
things really make so much of difference, especially at this time. It's really going to. I think we all should just focus on the positive.
Yeah, we have to. I mean, there are people in the world ना वो खुद कुछ करते हैं ना किसी और को करने देते हैं. There are people like you
Yeah.
who, you know, by doing, you know, sometimes I think those kind of people are the best, you know, who just by being themselves can inspire other people. No one told you to do this. No one called you specifically, but you read an SOS request. It moved you और आपने ये कदम उठाया. तो मतलब आपको किसी ने जबरदस्ती तो की नहीं थी, आप भी अपने लाइफ में कैरी ऑन कर सकते थे. But you know, that's what is beautiful, and that's what needs to be amplified. So the only thing I think my journalism training has taught me, negative news really बहुत जल्दी it catches on like
Spreads,
wildfire. So why not this, you know, or why not something to at least balance it, or just put a balm on those wounds, because wo, you know, it's very painful to watch what's happening for everybody. Lots of love for Kriti, for Ronita.
Kriti is a star.
Yeah, of course.
I'm
I
so
can see
proud
some.
of Kriti.
Please do more Kannada movies.
Okay, guys,
There
मेरी
was
दाल
this-
चल. I have to go.
Oh yeah, she's a
Come
damn
on,
Kriti,
guys.
aloo paratha is pending. When I come, you have to make the aloo paratha for me.
Done.
You know what,
Done.
Ronita, please count me in. Kriti, I've still not had any of your legendary khana that Pulkit keeps
Very
posting
soon.
about. Please, मुझे खिलाओ.
And the
Of
eclairs,
course,
Richa, you
1000%.
have to eat the eclairs that she makes. It is out of the world. It's outstanding.
Wow. I can't wait,
Pagal.
really. I think my mouth is watering.
Thank you so much, guys, for having me. I loved
No,
being
thank
here.
you.
I loved how impromptu this was. This was fun for me. And keep doing the amazing work that you're doing. And if I can be of any help at any point,
You already were. Thank you so much. Thank you. So
thank
much.
you.
Love
Thank you for having
Bye,
me.
Kriti.
Bye,
Love
bye,
you.
bye, guys.
See you
Thank you so
soon.
much.
See you soon.
Okay, guys.
Wow.
You are so moved by. I know she's cooking, you know. I know उसके pressure cooker में दाल की सीटी बज रही है. I know her half hour mind is there. It was just so sweet.
So beautiful ना, कैसे impromptu she came in. Usually, you know, celebrities आप लोग तो पता ही है मतलब कैसे planning और सब चीजें. And she was
मैं
like,
तो बहुत कम live
that tells
देखी.
you how heartfelt it was for her. Beautiful.
Oh, she's amazing. Kriti is so amazing, guys. Like, I know her for so many years now, before she entered Bollywood, and she's the most amazing girl I know.
She is quite amazing. I think there was another caller who had sent us a DM from your city, Ronita.
Oh.
आपके शहर गुवाहाटी से किसी ने कहा था कि वो भी इस लाइफ का हिस्सा होना चाहेंगे.
That's so sweet.
They were going to speak to you in Assamese. I'm presuming
Oh.
you speak
Yeah.
Assamese.
Yes, I am a Nepali, but I'm born and raised in Guwahati, so I know Assamese. I know to speak in Assamese.
Oh wow. The only thing I know is hoi hoi, which means yes, yes. Oh wow.
Very good.
Hi Bishal.
Hi Vishal,
Hi,
কি
hi, hi
খবর?
everyone. Hi, Ronita Ba. Hi.
কি খবর?
You know, Bhal, apni Bhal.
ভালো আছো, thank you.
You know, I have been listening to the conversation so far, and it was so amazing. And in fact, Priti was also here, and you know, I have known Priti ever since she made her Bollywood debut, and it was so amazing because I know Richa, I know Kriti, and you know, Ronita Ba. Like, what can I say about you? I mean, it's so amazing, so inspiring. I mean, you know, of course, there are so many people doing so many amazing things, but you know, every time there's a person from the Northeast, especially from Guwahati or Assam, it just swells my heart with pride, you know. And like, I'm a man, so I cannot even imagine the kind of, you know, there's so many emotions that a woman goes through when she becomes a mother. And, you know, despite going through, you know, all the hormonal changes and I don't know, so many other chemical you know things that happens in your body once you become a mother, you know volunteered for something like this, that also, you know, in the middle of a pandemic. It's like hats off to you. I mean, you are such a rock star, and I'm so proud. I mean, when I got to know from Richa that you know you are the Kindry hero today, I requested her that you know once you guys are done with the conversation, I just want to come live and say, you know, Ronita Ba, you rock.
Thank you so much, Vishal. Thank you so much. And you know, I am now in Bombay, but like Northeast, Guwahati, this is my home.
Yeah, that's always.
Yeah. Even I am in Bombay, but right now I'm in Guwahati with my family. So because of the lockdown, you know, I'm stay put. So both of us are like we live in Bombay, but right now we are in Guwahati. So we have, I think a lot.
We must meet. We must meet someday.
Yes, definitely. You know, it's so amazing that all of us, many of us, like Ronita Ba and I don't know each other. You know, I know Richa, of course, but you know, all of us connecting here, talking to each other. There was such amazing people. There was a singer. There was a you know, poetry person.
Yeah.
And you know, the whole experience in itself was so amazing. I mean, it just goes on to show that of course there will be negative people, but I always believe that the number of people who are negative are still very minuscule. It's just that the amplification that they get is usually much louder, so a lot more people are you know, negative. But we have people like Ronita Ba here, and we have amazing people like Richa who have started this initiative to amplify, you know, the voices of people like Ronita Ba. So you know, yeah, I can only say that hats off to all you guys, you know, Krishan and Richa, and of course Ronita Ba.
It's our first live, and thank you for being with us, all of you. I think we'll have more people next time, and I was very happy that Vishal happened to be in Guwahati, close to where I live, and that you guys could connect like this also, because that's what this is about. It's about connections and community and sharing.
So I think, Richa, then the first Instagram live of the Kindry has been a beautiful success, and with this we can come to an end, but we are going to see you all soon.
इतने सारे लोग हैं जो अभी, like lots of people I see. We already had Darshana and Neha and Kriti joined in very sweetly, and Vishal joined in. So we couldn't take requests, sorry, but next time we will take requests also. This is our first live, and we are very happy because आप सबने हमें join किया.
Very soon we'll have an email ID as well. You can keep sharing stories of kindness around you. That with this initiative, the Kindry, we hope to amplify and celebrate. So thank you so much, Vishal. Thank you so much, Ronita.
Thank
and
you.
thank you
you
for
guys.
starting this, Richa. Sending you hugs across distances, and to all the people who joined us in today's live.
Thank you,
ध्यान
Richa and
रखिए सब लोग.
Krishan. Thank you so much, guys. I feel so proud today, and I am so emotional. I mean, thank you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are doing such a great job, and I'll keep looking forward every day, every week to see the new heroes, to see heroes of my country. You know, I love you guys. Thank you so much for doing this.
So this was very special for us. We will always remember you, and I will take you up on that thing जब आप कृति के घर आओगे और हम खाना खाने जाएंगे एक साथ.
बिल्कुल, we will. Thank you, guys. See you.
Great.
Bye.
So
Bye,
see
Vishal.
you on the other side of the